One day, the villagers caught a tiger by setting a trap and placed him inside a cage. They placed the edge by the side of the road for the people to see the wicked tiger, who had so far killed many cattle and children by suddenly attacking the villagers. The tiger was now in real problem. He was not given any food nor any drink. He requested each and every passerby to release him, promising that he would not kill his rescuer. But no one believed the ferocious animal. At last, a kind traveler agreed to help the tiger, after the latter promised not to kill him. But as soon as the tiger was released, he wanted to kill the man. The man begged for his life, reminding the animal of his promise. But the animal did not want to listen to his prayer. He said,
I am hungry and you are my prey. How I can let you go?
Meanwhile, a fox happened to come there. He heard everything from both the parties and said, I don't believe that such a big tiger could fit in that small cage. The tiger said,
Let me show how I was locked in the cage.
So saying, he entered the cage, and the fox at once closed the door of the cage and went away with the traveler.